Granite, this is gold.
My name's Jesus Correa. I'm from Greater Lafayette Commerce. I represent the city where the Granite stands tall, in the heart of our town where business enthralls. I'm here to interview Granite, our pride and might, a stone so sturdy, it's a city shining light. Granite, you're the bedrock of our thriving city, your strength and endurance, what a splendid pity. And we don't often stop to hear your tale. In this rap, we'll unveil your legend without fail.
I'm Granite, keen from the earth, ancient and grand, a testament to time in this vibrant land. I've stood firm through ages, weathered storms and rain. In the heart of the city, I bear no strain. Yo, I'm Granite, a natural wonder from the core. I've been here since time began. Can't ignore the earth's own art. Every piece is unique. In the rap battle of stones, I'm the one they all seek. I'm Granite, the king of the stone. You can't break my foundation, solid and strong. I'm the talk of every nation, from sleek midnight, black to ivory and gold. In the world of countertops, Granite is the bold.
Hold up, Granite, you may be ancient and bold, but I'm Quartz. I've got store untold. I'm engineered to perfection in colors and colors so bright. In this rap battle, I'll take flight. I'm Quartz, I sparkle and shine. I'm the perfect dinner for those who want style and durability combined. In this rap battle, Granite, I'm gonna blow your mind.
But Granite's the classic, the choice of the wise. I've been around for ages, I don't need no disguise. I'm natural and unique, a work of art. In every way, in this rap battle, I'll be the one who'll sway.
Hey, Granite, you need to step aside. I'm Quartz, versatile and sleek. I can't be denied. I'm stain resistant and low maintenance and always on trend. In this rap battle, I'll make sure my message will send. I'm Quartz, the hottest in the kitchen game. Quartz in the epitome of the elegance and grace. I'm low maintenance, high style. I set the pace with a smooth, sleek surface. I'm the slight to be behold. In this rap battle, my story will be told. I'm non-porous, stains can't touch my service. In the world of countertops, I set the pace. I'm flexible, diverse, sleek in design. In this rap battle of stones, victory will be mine.
Who won?
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Happy Halloween. Thank you. We'll see you in the next one, and don't forget to give us a rock solid like.